Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear brothers, sister and lovely audience, I hope all are fantastic by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah. I'm also ecstatic as well. So I hope already you understood what is the topic and I want to talk about. So let's get started. How to learn English language at home. When you stay at home at the time, how will you learn English language without any teacher, expensive course materials, and without any books? If you're gonna ask me right now, is it possible in our real life? Yeah. I'm again talking about this and I'm replying, yes, it's possible for you as well. So if you're gonna ask again, what is the method? How do I learn English at home without any teacher, books, and expensive course materials? Okay, let's watch the video with full of attention. Inshallah, I'm telling all the process step by step. Okay, the first things is very important. Change your mindset. Each and everything, whatever you want to gain, you have to set a beautiful mindset. It's very important to gain knowledge, skill, each and everything. That's why, first of all, you have to set a goal and whatever you want. Suppose you are a learner of English language, that's why you need to start from today, not waiting for a perfect time. Most of the time we want to say, I'll start from tomorrow. That is the first excuse. It's one kind of obstacles in your life. At the very beginning, I know it's very difficult, you think. No, everything is possible. Your dedicated mind, beautiful mindset, strong desires. Strong desires can help you to gain what you want. The second tips is listening. Listening is very important and major part of learning language. When we were silent at the time. At that time, how did I learn the language? By listening from my mother, father, sister, almost from neighbors. We learned the language, mother tongue Bengali. So, samely, you can learn English by listening. A lot of video, podcast, and available in YouTube and online. So you can start from today listening English podcast. At least 15 minutes, 20 minutes you should listen, even you won't understand while listening. Besides, you can watch different type of English video, slow English video with subtitle. At the very beginning, you shouldn't watch video without subtitle, because if you watch without subtitle, you feel very difficult. That's why, first of all, at the very beginning, you have to watch with subtitle. That's help you to understand and comfortable. You feel comfortable. So start from today listening, watch video from YouTube with subtitle. My third tips is use simple sentence. Don't focus on grammar. If you focus on grammar, you feel stuck and you feel difficulty and your English will be slow. That's why don't focus at the beginning time. You should only focus on your speaking, not grammar. Don't need so much grammar to speak. When you will make a good fluency, then you will try to follow all the grammar rules. So try to speak with simple sentence, not complex sentence. You shouldn't use at the very beginning. Speak even 5 to 10 minutes. If you feel shy to speak, you won't learn anything. So I know at the very beginning, everyone, even those who are leaving English language country, even like England, America, sometimes they sometimes they are making mistake while speaking. So you are not exceptional from them. Sometimes you will make mistake also. You have to you have to remember that everyone make mistake. I'm not exceptional from them. So sometimes I'll make mistake. By making mistake, I'll learn through my making mistake. So you have to think that part of it's also part of learning. Mistakes prove you are trying something. Use your phone. Almost everyone addicted to the social media. When we are getting time, we are scrolling like Facebook, YouTube, whatever you like, you are scrolling. It's called time wasting. If you watch, that's time English and productive, whatever sector you like, whatever category you like, watch video, but English version. That's help you to understand, and automatically your English is you will improve day by day by listening. Listening is major part, and watching with subtitle. What sector and what the topic you like, just search in English version, and you should watch this kind of video. If you fear of speaking, you won't be able to learn not only language but also other things. While speaking, sometimes around you people are ready to criticize you, suppose. It doesn't matter because you are learning, you know what is your goal and what should you do. You are on the right track, so don't feel shy and try to speak with your friends, those who are also eager to learn English. Even if you don't have any friend to speak, no problem. You know, Gemini, always free, just turn on the voice option and speak with Gemini. The last thing, the last tips is record your voice and listen this voice what you record. If you find any mistake, correct and again record. Likely you can record every day about one topic that's help you to improve your English speaking. So that's the easy way, and that's the actual way of learning English at home without any teacher, expensive course materials and books.